Welcome, APCSA students. This is a video showing you how to submit your lab. If you have any questions on how to submit your labs in Blackboard. So I'm going to go over here to my Blackboard. I'm going to enter student mode so I can see what you see. And under lab submissions, I'm going to click quarter one, and I'm going to go into signature.java. And the first time you come in to upload an assignment, you'll see this. And you can say browse my computer to find your source code. I'm going to cancel out of this just for a sec, just to show you how I can figure out where the file is to be sure. So if you are in your JGrasp window and you have the program open that you want to submit, you want to go ahead and click run, make sure it's running, producing the output you want. In the future, I'm going to make sure you have a comment you have to have a comment on the top of all your programs. So if you want to add that this time, that would be a nice touch. But once you make sure your program is running, it will be saved. Then you need to locate where this actual program is. You can see it up here at the top of the JGrasp bar. It's telling me it's in users Eva Anderson A1920. So then I can go search for it in that folder. Another way to get this folder a little more legible, readable, is if you click this B button, which is nice, it will take you to the folder of the currently open program. So this automatically makes this the same folder as where this program is. You can see there it's underlined. I can see the folder there. If it's too long to see it all, you can always expand that window to see the full folder, or see the full folder names. So indeed, this is the folder I want to navigate to, so I can go back to my Blackboard. I can browse, and I want to find, here I have that recent, but yours will look a little different. This is a Mac, but you'll have the browser window come up, and you can browse to the current folder or find the folder you want, and then select the file and select choose. And then you'll see it attached here, and then you click submit. Once you click submit, the window should look like this, and it should bring up a sample of your program right here for you. So at this point, we're good to go. Everything is good. Let's say you wanted to, you decided to at least get one more point by adding a print command. Now I get a 3 out of 10. Make sure you compile and run it, and that's how I know that this is the current saved version. And if I go to Blackboard now, this is now my second submission for this. I'll see the previous submission, and I can say start new. And I'm back to this browse, and I can browse, I can reattach. Now it's the new one. When I click submit, you have to click submit, not save draft. Then I will see it. And now I see that second line is in the code, and it's listing it as attempt 2. If you still see a submit button here, it's because you clicked save draft, not submit. So make sure you hit submit. But it's pretty straightforward, so there it is. I will see you next time. Happy coding!